Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We want to take a quick look at the daily time frame first from an Elliott wave perspective, and then we take a look at the smaller time frame. So the overall idea is still that Ethereum should move higher in this bullish cycle and that Ethereum has a chance to reach new all-time highs, possibly in the region between $5,069 to $6,979. This is going to stay my view, and this is my view as long as the market is holding above the $2,407 level, which is the lower boundary line of our support area. Now, this Fibonacci support area is relevant for this B wave. A B wave is a corrective pattern, and it is possible in the white scenario that this B wave already completed. To confirm that further, we need to see certain levels to be broken to the upside, and we need to see certain structures develop, but we follow them on the smaller time frame. So we're going to take a look at that in a minute. Bigger picture, it is possible that the yellow B wave is unfolding. It is just reminding us that the correction might not be complete. So in case the price dips further, the price has a chance to find support at the lower levels here, roundabout at 2,698 or 2,407, and from there a C wave rally to the upside could start. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. We have some very interesting price action today. You might remember that I showed you in previous videos this wedge pattern. It's a descending wedge, and these wedge patterns tend to be broken to the upside. So from that point of view, this was a correct forecast. We also talked about the potential that B wave bottomed here on the 13th of January, and that this would remain our perspective, especially as long as we don't have a sustained break below the key support here at $3,034. This remains a relevant level for now, while a break below that level, if it's just a short break, does not really change anything. A sustained and decisive break below that level would rather shift probabilities towards this yellow scenario and a still unfolding larger wave B, as I just showed you on the larger time frame. However, because this support level is holding, there is a potential that Ethereum already formed a low in this wave 2 on Monday, the 27th. Now, as we now go higher, the market is in the process of forming a potential 5-wave pattern. If you're not so familiar yet with Elliott wave, well, Elliott wave tells us that 5 waves are needed to confirm a move into the larger trend direction. So what we're tracking here to confirm that the low is in, that the low has formed on Monday, we need to see a 5-wave move up. And at the moment, based on Fibonacci guidelines and Elliott wave rules and guidelines, we have seen only 3 waves as far as I can tell. So the market has formed a 3-wave move. This third wave is a very healthy third wave. So because it is long enough to be a third wave, we have added now the support area for the 4th wave to the chart. This doesn't mean the price has to start a 4th wave from here, even though I think it is likely, because the third wave is long enough. It has reached the 178.6 extension. So this is an ideal target for a third wave. The price has reached the previous swing high, which is also ideal, you know, to at least get a bit of a pullback from here. And we see a little bit of a red candle there. It's not confirmed yet that the wave 4 has started, but after a breakout above a trend line, you see the yellow trend line here, a retest is also likely and would actually be ideal. So I would be happy with a pullback from here, maybe to test the $3,280 level, the trend line, as well as the 38.2 retracement, which is typically an ideal target for a 4th wave. And then from there, a 5th wave to the upside could form and reach possibly $3,487 or the next Fibonacci level above. Let me add that to the chart. So normally it depends on where the third wave forms a top, but the 5th wave would normally reach 1 or 2 levels above. Hold on, let me just correct this. Yeah, so we would talk about maybe 3,487 or 3,544. But if the third wave extends further, this 5th wave would also extend a bit further. So it's looking promising, and the blue scenario seems to be leading at the moment, especially as long as the market holds above $3,189 support. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.